What you boys doing?
We are working on the new Intro to Resolve course. It's going up on YouTube for free.
Oh, baby. So exciting. How long have we been working on this?
Too long. Yeah, I'm done. I'm already done. 3 weeks?
Yeah, I think that's about
3
right.
weeks. But it's kind of like the weather. You check the weather and it's like, oh yeah, it's 78, but it feels like 90.
It feels like 10 years.
I've been doing this for 10 years.
So what we do on pretty much all of our YouTube videos is we'll plan it out and I'll kind of like whiteboard the ideas here. So we have all kinds of ideas for things. And then I'll go in my cave and record a whole bunch of stuff. And that's put on our NAS server, which is shared storage that we all share. And then usually Sam grabs it and edits it. If it's a bigger video like our Intro to Resolve huge free course video, then Dan and Sam will both edit it. And we're working on the Resolve Cloud project. And so for this one, we have a whole bunch of timelines here that we're all sharing. And after I go through and look through it, then I'll set its clip color to green. And so these are done. And the rest of these need to be reviewed still. This one, we actually forgot a bunch. So we have to go back and edit part of it, but it works pretty well. It's a pretty nice way to do it. And so for probably the rest of the day, I'm gonna be going through and reviewing this. I think the video is gonna shape up to be about 5 hours or so edited, which means it's like 10 or 11 hours of footage. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. We got all hands on deck working on this, and yeah, it should be good.
Hey, Sam.
Oh,
What do you got cooking?
I'm rendering the Intro to Resolve update for YouTube.
Oh, baby. There it is. It's going. What's the final TRT on that?
5 hours-ish, I think. So not too much more than the last one, but a little bit more.
Still a lot, though.
Yes.
Yeah. As of right now, we are getting things uploaded along with our new course, which you will find out more about tomorrow. And also, as of this morning, our dear friend Casey is on an airplane heading to California, the Long Beach area, to do some volunteer work with a mental health nonprofit that we've been working with for years and years called Heart Support. And we'll have some updates on that next week as well.
So it's been a pretty busy couple days. We've been working on the brand new Intro to Resolve video, which is a massive YouTube video that teaches you like everything that you need to know to get started in Resolve. It's the updated version for Resolve 20. It's like 5 hours long. And I'm in Long Beach for Vans Warped Tour and gonna be doing some work with Heart Support. So pretty excited for that. So we got the video all edited yesterday and uploaded it, and I downloaded it to my phone and watched it at 2x speed on the plane and got some notes back, and Sam's been working on that, and yeah, we're gonna get it uploaded tonight, and I think it should be out tomorrow morning. Pretty darn exciting. But I'm here, it's sunny, it's beautiful. I'm gonna go crush some tacos with my buddy Nate, and I wish my buddy Dan was here. I love you, Dan. I wish you were here.
A lot of stuff going on, still grinding. Would love to hear about what you guys are working on, of course. And we will catch you later. Bye-bye.